In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate Unbounce landing page. If you've ever wanted to reuse a high-performing layout, spin up a quick seasonal variant, or safely test changes without touching a live page, duplicating your Unbounce landing page is the fastest way to get there. I'll walk you through the process and point out what to look for so everything goes smoothly. Start inside your Unbounce dashboard and head to the All Pages view. This is the central list of every landing page in your account, grouped by workspace and domain. If you don't see the page you're expecting, make sure you're in the right workspace and clear any filters or searches that might be hiding it. The search bar is handy when you have a long list. Next, locate the page you want to duplicate. Scan the list or use the search by page name to find it faster. Double-check you've picked the correct page, especially if you have similar names for different campaigns. On the right side of that page's row, click the three dots icon, sometimes called the ellipsis or more menu. This opens a small drop-down with actions specific to that page. From this menu, choose Duplicate. Don't worry, this doesn't change or interrupt the original page. It simply prepares a copy. If your page uses A/B testing variants or smart traffic, Unbounce will show a prompt asking how you want to handle variants in the duplicate. You'll typically be asked whether to duplicate only active variants or include inactive variants. Active variants are the ones currently participating in traffic allocation. Inactive variants are saved versions you're not sending traffic to. Pick the option that matches your goal. Keep it streamlined by duplicating only active variants, or include inactive ones if you plan to revisit those designs in the new copy. This choice affects what appears in your duplicate, but won't alter the original page's testing setup. Once you've made your selection, click Duplicate to create the copy. The system will process for a moment, and then your new page will appear back in the All Pages list. By default, Unbounce appends a suffix like copy1 to the original name so you can tell them apart at a glance. That suffix is just a placeholder, so after confirming the duplicate exists, you can rename it to match your campaign or testing plan, update its URL, and adjust settings as needed before publishing. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated your Unbounce landing page, preserving your layout and variants while keeping your original safe and untouched.